Welcome to Retirement Optimizer. This is the first video in a series of tutorials to help you navigate the software. Let's get started. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard page where you can create and manage profiles for your clients or yourself if you are using the software to plan your own retirement. You can return to this page at any time while you're navigating the site by either clicking on the Retirement Optimizer icon or the dashboard icon found at the top of your screen. To begin creating a profile, click on the Create Client button and fill out the relevant fields. One item to note is if the retiree has government-recognized native status, you would check this box, as different taxing regulations and therefore analysis will be applied. Once you are finished, you will click on the Save and be redirected to the solver. Next, you have the option of using the Wizard or Advanced portal to enter your inputs. The how-to videos will be following the Wizard as we recommend this for first-time users. If this is your first time using the software, you would click Enter a new set of inputs. If you have previously saved inputs, you can also resume work to edit those inputs. One thing to note at this step is once you begin to fill in the inputs through the different stages, you cannot save until step 11. As well, the program does not let you move to a subsequent step until you've filled out all the relevant fields in the current or previous step that you're on. So it's good to have all the information that you will need in front of you so that you can fill out all the inputs in one go before saving at step 11. A list of all the information you will need to complete steps 1 through 11 can be found in the addendum at the end of the user manual. To access the manual, click on the icon at the top of the screen, which will link directly to a PDF. Once you gather the necessary information, you can begin working through the steps of the solver. You can also join us in our next video where we demonstrate the details of steps 2 through 4 in the program.